Hi guys, this is the old school Medley, I promised you guys, and my guitarist is behind me. She doesn't want to show herself. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. When I first saw you, I already knew there was something inside of you, something I thought that I would never find, an angel of mine, but it was just my imagination. Oh, running away with me, yeah. I tell you, it was just my imagination, running away with me. I'll serenade it for you. Here we are face to face, with the memories that can't be erased. If you hadn't discovered what I did inside of me, but when I had you to myself, I didn't want you around. Those pretty faces always seem to stand out in the crowd. Then someone picked you from the bunch. One glance is all it took, and now it's much too late for me to take a second look. So why don't you take a look at me and tell me what you see? I need somebody to love me for me. Why don't you take a look at me and tell me what you see? I need somebody to love me all for you. 'Cause I'm young, free and single. I just want to mingle with you, baby. Oh, I'm young, free and single. I just want to mingle with you, boy. Oh, so can we talk for a minute? All I want is to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Boy, I want to know your name, and I'll just call to say I love you, and I'll just call to say I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control. This love's taking over me in a day. It is so amazing. It's not a phase. I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet. It knocks me right up from my feet. Yeah. Oh, boy, your love, it makes me weak. Bye, guys.